The Andromeda Galaxy, a celestial tapestry woven with billions of stars, a swirling vortex of cosmic creation and destruction. It is a majestic island universe adrift in the vast cosmic ocean. Yet within its ethereal glow, a lurking darkness resides. A secret whispered on the stellar winds, a tale of a world so extreme, so hostile, it challenges the very limits of our imagination. Andromeda, much like our own Milky Way, is a swirling disk of stars, gas and dust. It is a breeding ground for celestial wonders, a cosmic cradle where stars are born and extinguished in a symphony of cosmic energy. But within this symphony, a dissonant note is struck, a discordant whisper. Amidst the celestial harmony, it is the whisper of Planet X, a world shrouded in perpetual darkness, a place where the laws of nature have conspired to create an environment of unimaginable hostility. A planet so extreme it stands as a silent testament to the terrifying power of the cosmos. Imagine a world draped in eternal night, a place where the sun is a distant memory, a faint glimmer in an alien sky. This is Planet X, a world locked in a gravitational dance with its parent star, its rotation halted, its fate sealed in a perpetual twilight. But the lack of sunlight is the least of its worries. Planet X is a place of extremes. Its atmosphere, a toxic cocktail of cyanide and sulfuric acid, would strip flesh from bone in an instant. Winds exceeding thousands of miles per hour whip across the barren landscape, carrying with them shards of obsidian, sharp as razors, turning the very air into a deadly weapon. And if the atmosphere doesn't kill you, the surface will. Volcanic eruptions, frequent and violent, spew molten rock and noxious gases high into the already poisonous atmosphere. The very ground beneath your feet is a treacherous sea of molten rock, flowing rivers of fire carving their way through the desolate landscape. Welcome to hell. The air on Planet X is not meant for life as we know it. It is a deadly concoction, a toxic cocktail of cyanide and sulfuric acid, a noxious blend that would instantly shut down our respiratory systems. Imagine the pungent, bitter almond smell of cyanide mixed with the acrid, burning scent of sulfuric acid. A single breath would be fatal. But the horrors of the atmosphere don't end there. The air is thick with particulate matter, microscopic shards of obsidian and volcanic ash, each one sharp as a razor, each one ready to tear through organic tissue. Breathing this air wouldn't be like breathing air at all. It would be like inhaling 1,000 tiny knives. And as if the toxic composition wasn't enough, the atmospheric pressure on Planet X is immense. Imagine the weight of an ocean pressing down on you, crushing your lungs, making every breath a monumental effort. The air itself is a weapon, a relentless force seeking to crush and suffocate anything that dares to enter its domain. Section 4. Surface of Torment, a landscape of fire and ice. The surface of Planet X is a testament to the raw, untamed power of the universe. It is a landscape carved by fire and ice, a desolate wasteland where extremes reign supreme. Imagine vast plains of obsidian, black as night, reflecting the faint light of the distant stars. These plains are not flat, however. They are scarred by deep chasms, bottomless pits that plunge into the heart of the planet, spewing forth molten rock and noxious gases. Then there are the mountains, jagged peaks of volcanic rock thrust high into the toxic atmosphere. These mountains are not dormant giants, they are active volcanoes spewing forth rivers of molten lava cascading down their slopes, leaving fiery trails across the desolate landscape. But the extremes don't end there. The temperature on Planet X swings wildly between unimaginable cold and searing heat. During the planet's long night, the temperature plummets to hundreds of degrees below freezing, cold enough to freeze the very air into a solid. Then, when the faint light of the distant sun graces the planet's surface, the temperature skyrockets, turning the obsidian plains into molten seas, the air itself shimmering with heat. Section 5. The Significance of Silence. Planet X. A world of extremes, a place of unimaginable hostility. It is a stark reminder of the vastness of the universe, of the endless possibilities that exist beyond our pale blue dot. It is a reminder that life, as we know it, is a fragile thing, a delicate balance of conditions that can be easily disrupted. But Planet X is more than just a cautionary tale. It is a challenge to our understanding of the universe, to our definition of life itself. Could life, in some form, exist in such an extreme environment? Could could there be creatures on this planet? Organisms so alien, so different from anything we can imagine, that they thrive in this hellscape. The silence from Planet X is deafening. It is a silence that speaks volumes about the power of the universe, about the resilience of life itself. It is a silence that we must strive to understand, for in that understanding we may just find the answers to some of life's greatest mysteries.